up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Now, as you can tell by the title, I'm taking you through my little nighttime routine, so you're gonna unwind with me. This was pretty much a rest day for me. I didn't go to the gym today, just got some work done, so I decided to get some steps in. I do spend the majority of my day kind of sitting around on the computer or on my phone, which that's what my work consists of. So even if I don't work out, you got to get some type of steps in. I decided to go down to my apartment gym and get a little bit of walking in. Because someone's gonna ask, I do put my Apple Watch on my ankle. You can find these bands on Amazon, like the bigger Apple Watch bands. That way, when I'm walking, I can still get my steps in, even though I'm not using my hands, because I do read while I'm doing my cardio. Now, the key is when you are doing cardio and you're trying to read, but you're in the gym, because the gym can get loud, people are playing music and all the stuff's going on. I do put on like rain noise on my phone. Obviously, I put my headphones on, but I look on Spotify and I just look for calming music or rain music. And that's what I'm listening to while I am reading. I ended up walking way longer than I was planning on it. I was only gonna do 30 minutes, but when I'm in my book, I am in that book. Oh, stay tuned for more book recommendations. I should have posted a long time ago, but it's still coming. So here's me just kind of straightening up. We took a trip a few days ago, so I do have stuff that's still out that need to be put away. And yeah, now we're just gonna hop in the shower and get all cleaned, and then jumping into our skincare after that. Okay, on to skincare. Now, I don't really wash my face in the shower just because you're not supposed to be using water that's that hot. I do shower with very hot water, so I wash my face outside of the shower. Yeah, but I am doing a double cleanse because it's the end of the day, so I have sunscreen and other products on my face, so I'm just cleaning my face twice with just a little gentle cleanser. And then kisses from Babe, because I always get kisses. And then I'm going to use a toner. I ran out of the toner that I normally use, but I'll link all the products that I use down below. So right now I'm just using this one from Versed, but I use the Korean skincare toner. On to the next step, which brings us to our sponsor. So thank you so much, Omnilux, for sponsoring today's video. I have the Omnilux Clear, which is a flexible home use LED mask. It is FDA cleared, clinically proven, safe, and 100% natural. It helps with reducing active acne and blemishes, and it can assist you with redness and inflammation. Now, for those of you who have been following me, you are very aware of my skin issues. I do have hormonal acne that I've dealt with for most of my life, but I did recently have a pretty bad PCOS flare-up, which resulted in tons of new blemishes coming in. Now, in addition to, of course, getting my hormones under control, I have been using my Omnilux Clear 4 times a week for the past few weeks, and it has made a world of a difference. I currently still have the hyperpigmentation, but I no longer feel the cysts that are under my skin. And that usually takes a long time to clear up, but I feel like the Omnilux really did speed up the healing process. So I no longer feel all of the bumps and stuff going on. And I also feel like my blemishes aren't as prominent as they usually are. So seriously, red light therapy is such an amazing tool to add to your routine. Even if you don't personally suffer from acne and blemishes, it can still assist with fine lines and wrinkles and redness. But of course, I do have a discount code for you for Acne Awareness Month, which I will put on the screen and down below. But you can use code CLEAR for $45 off your clear mask until the 25th of the month. Now on to the next steps of my skincare routine. So after my red light therapy, we're gonna go in with my Paula's Choice BHA. And then I am putting on some body retinol lotion that I get from Versed. It's really helped with clearing up the hyperpigmentation on my back. And I'm just wetting my face pretty much, so any type of essence, spray, or water before I put on my Snow Mucin. So before you put on your hyaluronic acid, you want your face to be moisturized and wet. Now onto the body lotion, and then we get dressed. It is that time of the month, so these are my little period underwear for bedtime. If you saw my favorites video, you saw these, I love them. And then I'll just finish off with some eye cream. I use the one from Kiehl's. And then some moisturizer. Now there is breaks in between my skincare routine just because you want the products to really soak into your skin. You don't want to just put a layer on back to back. Now let's go make some dinner. And I was in the mood for like some type of gumbo situation, but I didn't have any type of gumbo, I didn't have the gumbo products, so this was like my mock version. I don't know, I just wanted some type of Cajun shrimp sausage situation. So now you can watch me make dinner. Now, okay, first off, this meal was bomb. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just kind of throwing stuff together and it worked out. But something to keep in mind, which I didn't because I made it a tad bit too salty, is that the Cajun seasoning I believe had salt in it already. So I went and put a little bit more, just sea salt, and it made it just a tad bit too salty. Keep that in mind. Taste as you go because that's where I messed up. Otherwise, it was still fire and a little spicy. So good. But now we clean up. Now when it comes to like my nighttime routine and my morning routine, it's almost 50-50 when it comes to me cleaning. Sometimes I clean before bed. It's so nice waking up to a clean and like organized home, but then other times I'm just too lazy and I go to bed. But I also do like waking up and getting right into a routine of getting dressed and cleaning up. So it's pretty 50-50 to me. I enjoy both. I enjoy ending my night cleaning and I also enjoy starting my day cleaning. I will say, waking up the next morning, it was just like, oh wow, it's clean in here. Like, it felt so nice just walking out and just seeing a nice clean apartment. Then of course I unmake my bed. I have a little basket here, so if you see me like stacking stuff, I have a little basket next to my dresser, and that's where I put everything in there, my pillows and throw blanket, that way they're not sitting on the floor. And then we get ready to do my favorite part of the day. Of course, I read an hour on the treadmill, but I do read. Every little free time I get, I'm reading. Okay, any break I have, I'm reading. So I definitely read hours before bed. Here you see me read a little bit and then turn off the lights, but that was just to close out this video. But I promise you, I read for like another 2 hours. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you again, Omnilux, for sponsoring today's video. Again, everything will be down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.